Hello, and this is take two of whatever the hell I'm trying to post. Usually when I do cover songs and I mess up, I'm just like, fuck it, let's start from the beginning. So here's round two. Yay. I'm feeling kind of Drake-ish, so we were gonna do some Drake. I'm gonna start doing covers by artist instead of going willy-nilly unless it has like a theme. So yeah. I'm more than just an option. Hey, hey, hey. Refuse to be forgotten. Hey, hey, hey. I took a chance with my heart. Hey, hey, hey. And I feel it taking over. I better find your loving. Better find your heart. I better find your loving. Better find your heart. I better find your loving. Better find your heart. Better give all my love when nothing's gonna tear us apart. I'm more than just a number. Hey, hey, hey. I doubt you'll find another. Hey, hey, hey. So sorry it's in the summer. Hey, hey, hey. I'd be the one that you remember. I wish that I can read the words. Wish I can see, but I need my glasses. I'm blind as a bee. Maybe they have good visions, but I don't know. But I'm getting blinded from all the snow. So apparently that song did not work out. Don't know if you could tell. I don't feel Drakey. I thought I felt Drakey, but then I'm like, no. Let's try Dodie. Blah, 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 blah. Those chords are pretty simple. You like my bat? That's one of the stipple creations that I made. That was back in high school. So it's all just tiny dots. Anyway. No capo? Okay. Tell me again about how it hurts being awfully loud for an introvert. Get out of my room. Smell, wipe clean. Isn't it weird to be so mean? I'm guessing that I've grown old. I'm guessing I'm human no more. I can tell I've rotted in your brain. Oh, how easily passion twist. You think I'm a crazy bitch. I craft my words to fit your head. 'Cause no one listens to the dead. So maybe I will talk to you. The only way I know how to. I said my speech. There's up in teeth. You break the rules and spikes grow from my skin. Please let the devil in. Our meets are apart. We blankly stare. We shout in our heads. Are you still in there? Well, this sounds bad then, like I knew it would. So we don't eat our words, 'cause they don't taste good. I'm guessing that I've grown horns. I'm guessing I'm human no more. I can tell I've rotted in your brain. Oh, how easily passion situation twists. You think I'm a crazy bitch, 1,000 words are left unsaid, 'cause no one listens to the dead. Maybe I will talk to you. Oh, the only way I know how to. Said my speech. Sharpened teeth. You break the rules with thought sparks. I'm a failure. I don't know if it's camera jitters, which is why I try to do this on the camera a lot so I can get over that. And that's a song that I like. It's a song that I like. It's a song that I know. It's pretty easy. That's all I can do. Let's get a little bluesy with some Adele. Some Heron Chic. It's a lot of chords. But all I need help with is F7. Oh no, my fingers are right. Oh yeah, it's definitely it. I was staring at the sky, just looking for a star to pray on, a wish on, or something like that. I was having a sweet fix of a daydream of a boy whose reality I knew was a hopeless to be had. Within the tub of hope began its downward slope, and I believed for a moment that our chances were approaching to be grabbed. But as it came down near, I did a weary tear. I thought it was a bird, but it was just a paper bag. Hunger hurts, and I want it so bad. Oh, it kills, 'cause I know I'm a mess he don't wanna clean up. I've got to fold, 'cause these hands are too shaky to hold. Hunger hurts, but starving works when it costs too much to love. Now I went crazy again today. I was looking for a strand of climb, looking for a little hope. Baby said he couldn't stay, wouldn't put his lips to mine. I failed to kisses, I failed to cope. I said, honey, I don't feel so good, don't feel justified. Come on, put a little love here in my void. He said, it's all in your head. And I said, so is everything, but he didn't get it. I thought he was a man, but he was just a little boy. Hunger hurts, and I want it so bad. Oh, it kills, 'cause I know I'm a mess that he don't wanna clean up. I've got to fold, 'cause these hands are too shaky to hold. Hunger hurts, but starving works when it costs too much. Hunger hurts. I really wish I knew this song, and I just listened to it like 3 days ago. I listened to it and I sang along. It was fine. Maybe it's one of those things where like you're multitasking and you're not really supposed to be multitasking because it turns your brain into a stressed apple. Unlike Fiona Apple, who did the original. You know. Can you not eat my pants? Talking to my dog. There she is, everybody. The infamous Willow. Come for the covers, stay for the breakdowns, and dog. Yay. So, I'm trying to find a band. I'm going by bands now. And some of these songs I haven't heard for a while, but I see Jefferson Airplane. So why not? Because Jefferson Airplane is the shiznit. Okay, hold on. Wrong. It gives me a little rundown of like what the chords look like in the beginning, and I try not to look at what the chords look like, but what chords I'm going to be playing, and then that can give me a feel on like how hard I need to work on certain chords. Like in this case, it's F sharp, which is the first chord of the song. See? And yes, I use my thumb. Call me Jimmy. One pill makes you larger, and one pill makes you small, and the ones that mother gives you don't do anything at all. Go ask Alice when she's 10 feet tall. And if you go chasing rabbits and you know you're going to fall, tell 'em Mocha, smoking caterpillar, has given you the chord. Call Alice when she's just small. When the man on the chessboard get up and tell you where to go, and you've just had some kind of mushroom, and your mind is moving low, go ask Alice. I think she'll know when logic and proportion have fallen sloppy dead, and the white knight is talking backwards, and the red queen's off with her head. Remember what the dormouse said. Feed your head, feed your head. Yeah. This is one of those songs. That's one of those songs that I love, I'm kind of obsessed with, so I'm glad that there were only like a few mistakes. Sorry if you tasted, some nastiness that was being played for you. Oh, this? The hookah smoking caterpillar gave it to me. I don't know. So anyway, we're going to continue with Jefferson Airplane because they have easy chords. I effing love Jefferson Airplane. It puts me in a place when I play it or listen to music. Sometimes it takes me to a place where I've experienced that music. Whether it's, did I put eyeliner on both of my eyes? Don't look like it. That's okay. So, all that aside, having band practice with my cousin. Frames, can I have some? This isn't even connected to the Wi-Fi. Okay, I'm gonna start using my camera. I promise. At some point, this is just kind of convenient. And most of the stuff that I don't post, I keep as like, like private diary shit. But anyway, we're trying to find somebody to love. Jefferson Airplane is gonna help us with this. And I'm going to move my pillows so they're not hurting my back. And then my dog's gonna jump because she sees that warm space. But that's okay. Y'all gonna move a little closer? Not too close now. When the truth is found to be lies and all the joy. Okay, we're gonna start that over. Yes, my ukulele string is handmade. Your strap was handmade by some hemp string. Didn't have time to braid it. Don't judge me. When the truth is found. Maybe let's not do that song, because I do not want to associate it with a bad experience. Since we are in the J's, I have 3 chords by Johnny Cash, and 2 of them are the same, of course. What are you chewing on? Well, she didn't chew up my therapy band, so that's cool. Maybe I should stop leaving my shit on the floor. Okay, I'm gonna try to play this. It's funny. I heard the 9 Inch Nails version first, and then I heard the cover of Johnny Cash's cover. And to be honest with you, I'm not gonna lie when I say when Johnny Cash does this song, it touches me a little bit more, So a cover of a cover, or a cover mixed with a cover, or the cover mixed with the original cover style. Boom, that's me. So it was originally written by 9 Inch Nails, and Johnny Cash did a cover. And it's one of the few songs where I can do tabs. I'm so proud of myself. To see if I still feel. I focus on the pain. The only thing that's real. The needle tears a hole. The old familiar sting. Try to kill it all away, but I remember everything. What have I become? My sweetest friend. veins of time. The feelings disappear. You were someone else, yet I am still right here. What have I become? My sweetest friend. Everyone I know goes away in the end, and you can have it all. My empire of dirt, I will let you down. I will make you hurt. If I could start again, a million miles away, I would keep myself. I would find a way. So that song is more about like the feels than looking at the it's not sheet music and it's not a tablature. A chordature? Je ne sais. So I did Johnny Cash's version because I couldn't find a 9 Inch Nail version that uses strings. I don't know why I had a problem with that. But anyway, now that we're on the subject of the infamous Johnny Cash, I'm going to do his song Ring of Fire. And I don't know if you know this. I don't know if you're too young to know this. But Adam, one of the guys from American Idol, Adam something, I don't know, he did a cover of this song, and I was very young at the time. I was like intro to choir, you know, like not even getting towards music theory or anything like that. But the way he did that song made me want to throw him in a ring of fire. And I'm not saying I don't like him, you know, because there are some songs of his that, like, maybe I don't know, and I'm, like, chilling, and I'm like, hey, this is a good song. Who's singing it? Oh, blah, 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 blah. Who? The guy who did American Idol. Oh, okay. And you see, I only know his first name, so. Anyways. A burning thing, and it makes a fiery ring. So I know damn well that for my ukulele, and I don't know if it's the same as everybody else, I don't know if I'm not tuning it right, but on my little app, it always tells me that this is D7, and I don't like it. I like this. Because that sounds... Because if you listen to G and G7... Wait, G? G7. See? D. D7. You know, it's just... Anyway, back to the start. taste of love is sweet when hearts like ours meet. I fell for you like a child. Oh, but the fire went wild. I fell into a burning ring of fire. I went down, 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 and the flames went higher. And it burns, burns, burns. The ring of fire, the ring of fire, the ring of fire. Awesome. I don't know if you noticed this, but she and I have been practicing a lot with I just hit myself in the face. This little dog shocky vibrate beeper, and it's got, hi baby, it's got a button for the beeper, a button for the vibration, and a button for the shock. And I don't know if you heard the beep, but she was barking at the dogs. I said stop. I don't know if I said stop, I can't remember. But when I put frames, hello, frames, earth to frames. Okay, there we go. But I just did the beep and she stopped barking. So yeah, there's that. Yeah. Okay, we're still in the J's and I don't feel like Justin Bieber or Julie London, so we're gonna move to the okay. Ooh, there's a corn song in here. And little girl, stop stealing my exercise bands. I need those for physical therapy. Okay. So, I'm not gonna lie, I very much like the abridged version better. There we go. So we have a D, we have D sharp, we have, I want to say it's B flat because it's a B and then a lowercase b, and I'm not sure if they have flats. So B flat, and then B, which it would make sense. Yeah, the B lowercase b is B flat because it's like, it's a half step lower. So anyways, B, A, E. Okay, so A sharp and B flat are the same thing. Once again, I'm not assuming that everybody's gone to music theory. I'm not assuming that everybody went to college for choir or anything like that. I dropped out of college myself. However, why? Why would you put a B flat and an A sharp in the same song? It's redundant. It's redundant because I'm looking at A sharp and I'm like, fuck, what is it? B flat, bitch. Like, anyway. Anyway, I really like the abridged version. And it's meant to have the singing to be the focus with a guitar just in the back. Play it similar to the live one with Amy from Evanescence. That's what I was just talking about. I like the abridged version better. Now I just have to remember the chords. Something takes a part of me, something lost but never seen. Every time I start to something's raped and taken from me. Life's gotta always be messing with me. You wanna see the light, can't they chill? Let me be free, so do I. Oh, that's B and B flat. Can't I take away all this pain? That doesn't sound right. Try every night and all in vain, in vain. Sometimes I cannot take this place. Sometimes it's my life I can taste. Sometimes I cannot feel my face. You'll never see me fall from grace. Something takes a part of me. You and I were meant to be a cheap fuck for me to lay. Something takes a part of me. Feeling like a freak on a leash. You wanna see the light. Feeling like I have no release. So do I. How many times have I felt disease? Wanna see the light. Nothing in my life is free, is free. Sometimes I cannot feel my face. Sometimes it's my life I can taste. Sometimes I cannot take this place. You'll never see me fall from grace. Something takes a part of me. You and I were meant to be a cheap fuck for me to lay. Something takes a part of me. That was the boom dot boom dana. And I refuse. With all the mistakes I've made so far, there is no confidence. If there was a confidence meter right here and like this was the top, let's go this is the top because that's the top of my hair. Confidence meter is like right here, but like not low enough for me to delete and start over because I'm already 35 minutes into this shit. So we'll end on an easier song. I have Madonna on here. Miley Cyrus. Not going the medicine for the people. Never shout never. Ooh, Nicki Minaj. So this song, I feel is different than like almost every other song that she's put out. Not only because it has a slower tempo, but I don't know, it's a little deep. And like to say that about Nicki Minaj is like, in my opinion, like whoa, you know. But anyway, this is Save Me by Nicki Minaj. I'm kidding, it's Nicki Minaj. I do not have the right to this song. Don't fucking sue me. I like this chord. G suspended 4. Here's G. And then G suspended 4. Yes. Okay, wait. No, it says capo 5. And I'm going to try to adhere to that. Fuck that. maybe third. Oh, it's A minor. Okay, so yes, it has the original 4 chords in there, but they sprinkled 3 other ones, so there you go. Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. I drove for miles just to find you and find myself. All these screams, all these voices in my head. You gave me strength, gave me hope for a lifetime. I never was satisfied. This time won't you save me? This time won't you save me? Baby, I can feel myself giving up. Giving up. This time won't you save me? This time won't you save me? Baby, I can feel myself giving up, giving up. It's not your fault, I'm a bitch, I'm a monster. Yes, I'm a beast, and I feast when I conquer. But I'm alone on my throne, all my riches. I came this way, all this way, just to say, hey, this time won't you save me? Won't you save me? Baby, I can feel myself giving up, giving up. This time won't you save me? This time won't you save me? Baby, I can feel myself giving up, giving up. I'm giving up, baby. I'm giving up, baby. I'm giving up. This time won't you save me? This time won't you save me? Oh, that's the end. I thought there was another verse, but there wasn't. I'm really liking this nude lipstick. It's pretty bomb-tacular. So maybe I'll make it shorter next time and only do a few songs because I can see that we're pushing the 40-minute mark. However, YouTube's algorithm likes longer videos if it's viewed. It's the total watch time. So like if you watch half of my video versus like half of a 10-minute video, you're actually giving me, since this is 40 minutes, double the support, if you know what I'm saying. So yeah, that was that round of covers. Maybe I'll upload another round of covers. I'm sorry for the lighting. I'm using natural blinding snow, which is not good for my Asian eyes. It makes it look like I'm freaking Brock when I'm trying to read. Anyway, I'm done. I'm done. I'm done complaining. Done complaining.